Alright, here's a tutorial on how to use that Ebsco host for our class. So first you're going to click on Google Chrome or whatever browser you prefer. It's going to open up. You're going to want to go to fhsu.edu. Next you're going to want to click on Library at the top right here. And then you're going to want to scroll down a little bit and click on Research Databases right here. Next, you want to go to Ebsco. You can either scroll all the way down to E for Ebsco, or you can just click this E right here, and then click on Ebsco Databases, the first link. Next, you want to click on this first link again right here where it says Ebsco Host Research Databases. And then next, you're going to want to select all. Now I know it says note, selecting all databases for search may result in slow response time. I know that might happen, but my recommendation is you select all. Get rid of that one though, because that one is super slow. And notice how that little note disappeared, so you'll probably be good to go. Hit continue. And next, search whatever your topic is. So we're going to talk about VO2 max. Okay, and then now that we've searched VO2 max, it came up with 27,000 results. So if you want to narrow that down to something that's going to be a lot easier for you to use, you can use this slider right here and make it into the last, I don't know, say 20 years for example. It's probably going to be good. So last 20 years. Make it a little more relevant up to today's standards. And then you could even click on full text, which is basically you're going to have a PDF of it or some sort of link to the full text of whatever you're looking at. And then you can get scholarly peer-reviewed journals also, which makes it even more credible. So you can click on those too. After all that, you're pretty much done. I'm just going to click on this first one to show you what it's going to look like. Once you click it, you'll be here and it'll give you sort of an abstract in Spanish in case you're interested in that. And then you can click on the full PDF over here on the left. You're going to want to click that, and then you can actually read the whole thing, which is super handy. The only other thing that you might be interested in is over here on the far right. This little paper over here will cite it for you. So you can click that, and then you're going to want to scroll to APA. Make sure it's in the correct APA because sometimes it has the capitalization wrong. But this one looks correct. Make sure that the title of the article is not in italics and is lowercase except for that first letter, or proper nouns. VO2 is kind of an exception because it's always capitalized for the most part because it's more or less a symbol. And then the embodying work should be in italics just like it is here. So hope you guys can use this and it'll help you a lot with your future studies, and good luck.